everyone, welcome back. Hope you had a lovely weekend and happy Monday. It's a new start to the week and lots of things that we can achieve this week, so I'm quite excited for that. And with that said, my apologies that I didn't post a video last week when I was a little bit eyeballs deep in finishing up a program I was creating for the Sherry Blair Foundation for Women. But that program has officially launched today, and it is so exciting because we are helping over 100,000 female entrepreneurs around the world in lower and middle income countries so that they can develop and safeguard their businesses against things like COVID-19 and anything else that may come up around them. So that's great. I'll link that below just so that you could take a look at that if you're interested. And tomorrow, just a reminder that I'm running my 8th webinar on exploring virtual communication styles through your voice. And that is such an incredible topic, I think, because when we're thinking about communication styles, we do think about that in face-to-face communication, but also I think we're thinking less about that and sometimes focusing too much on how we are physically looking across the camera to somebody, but also the quality of how we voice our messages and the qualities of what our voice is like when we are voicing these messages is also just as important. And some of the things that are the crossovers are the communication styles of really understanding the theoretical framework of aggressiveness, passive aggressiveness, assertiveness, and passiveness, and being able to gauge yourself on that level. So we'll be going deep into that and also talking a little bit about how everybody has a different preference for how they communicate, but also how they receive communication. So we're going to dig quite deep into that. And if you are interested in learning more about how you're coming across, or you have absolutely no idea how you're coming across in your communication, I've just launched my 2-hour mini workshops, and it's going to be held on the 2nd or 3rd week of this month in June, where it's going to be capped off at about 8 people. So if you're interested, I still have a couple spaces left where I can help you gauge how you are coming across and give you some practical and actionable exercises to quickly shift that into the communication style that you want so that you get all that engagement. That's all I have for you today. I'm just going to start working on the content for tomorrow's webinar, and I'm really excited to see all of you. So make sure you register, and I'll leave that link below as well. And I guess I'll see you there. All right, I'll see you later. Bye.